கண்மணிகளுக்கும் பள்ளியின் வளர்ச்சிக்கு ஆணிவேராக விளங்கும் பெற்றோருக்கும் முத்தமிழ் பள்ளியின் சார்பாக இனிய காலை வணக்கம். கங்கையை போல் காவிரி போல் கருத்துக்கள் ஊறும் உள்ளம் எங்கள் உள்ளம். வெங்குருதி தணில் கமழ்ந்து வீரம் செய்கின்ற தமிழ் எங்கள் மூச்சாம், தமிழ் எங்கள் மூச்சாம். ஆம், உயிர் தமிழை தமிழ்தாய் வாழ்த்து மூலம் வணங்க வருகிறார் எமது முத்தமிழின் தமிழ் ஆசிரியை திருமதி கோமதி அவர்கள்.
நீராறும் கடலொடுத்த நிலமடந்தை கெழிலொழுகும் சீராறும் வதனமன திகழ் பரத கண்டமிதில் தெற்கணமும் அதில் சிறந்த திராவிடனல் திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு பிறை நுதலும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே. அத்திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனங்கே, தமிழனங்கே உன் சீரிழமை திரும்பி எந்த செயல் மறந்து வாழ்த்துதுமே, வாழ்த்துதுமே, வாழ்த்துதுமே.
நன்றி. Yes, it's now time to invoke the blessings of God through our school prayer by Miss Induja.
Prayer. Dear God, we pray for a bright day to have fun with our lessons and play. We ask for wisdom as we explore and experiment some. We pray for knowledge as we go through each page. We ask to grow strong and wise as we study and play and win every race. And ask for your tender care, yes, on our parents and friends, our caretakers. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Induja. Here comes Miss Niveta Vadivel to motivate us with a positive thought.
Yeah, the quote of the day is believe in yourself. Everybody have a tantrum of saying, I can't do this. It is so hard. I will not be able to do this. Yeah, I know everybody can't do everything. But instead of telling, I can't, the word I can't, I want everybody to believe in yourself and ask a question. How can I do it? This question will lead you to a very perfect solution in your life. So the prime key to success is anyone's success is believing in yourself. So I want to kickstart this morning. I want everybody to believe in themselves and start this very good day. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Niveta. I hope, children, you will all definitely believe in yourself and have the mantra, I can. Science rules the world. Yeah, it's our zoology master, Mr. Lakshmanan, who is going to enlighten us with a concept blow about birds.
Good morning, all.
புள்ளினங்கால் ஓ புள்ளினங்கால் உன் பேச்சரவும் கேட்டு நின்றே புள்ளினங்கால் ஓ புள்ளினங்கால்.
Birds are the beautiful creatures in the world. So they play a major role in all type of ecosystem, either the grassland ecosystem or the forest ecosystem. So they play a vital role in broadcasting their seeds or communicating with each other or spreading the happiness and positivity among ourselves. So today I'm going to tell you a few things, a few factors about the birds. So we have birds in different sizes. You know, the smallest bird, that is a hummingbird. The weight of hummingbird is just 2 grams and it can grow up to 6 centimeters, less than your index finger length. And the largest bird in the world is ostrich. It's a flightless bird, it can't fly, but it can grow up to 6 feet like a human being. And the weight is just more than 150 kilograms, more than 150 kgs. Okay, and they play a vital role in all type of human activity. So we are all directly or indirectly depending on the birds, that is aves. You know something, the birds are evolved from the reptiles, and you should know one thing, that the first bird is emerged, it came out from the dinosaurs only. As of now, we don't have a dinosaurs in the present day, but we have the birds. So we should conserve the birds to have a better tomorrow. So I request all of you to conserve the birds in your day-to-day life activity. Just offer some food and water to the birds in and around your family, in and around your home. Thank you.
That was a wonderful thought, sir. Definitely, our children will take care of their birds. And here comes Miss Divya. Health is wealth. So, to give tips about our healthy diet, we have Miss Divya on the floor. Please.
Good morning. A rainbow diet includes foods of different colors by adding different kinds of fruits and vegetables into your diet. Most of us know that including fruits and diets in the diet is the cornerstone of a good health, but we lack the motivation to do so. Dear students, follow these color diets in your upcoming days. Blue, purple, black. Purple cabbage, purple onion, raisins. Helps to improve anti-aging, brain function, heart and liver health. White, brown, turnip. Cauliflower, turmeric root, mushrooms, tea, onion, garlic. Helps to improve gastrointestinal health, heart, hormone, liver, and cell protection. Red, tomatoes, beetroot, cashew fruit, guava. Helps to improve prostate and vascular health, cell renewal, and immune. Orange, carrot, pumpkin, and papaya. Helps to improve immune, skin, eye, and reproductive health. Yellow, sweet potato, oranges, pineapple. Helps to improve immune, skin, eye, and reproductive health. Green, spinach, fresh herbs, cabbage. Helps to improve blood and bone health, brain, skin, heart, and liver.
Thank you, Divya. To keep us informed about the latest top stories, we have Mr. Nelson among us. Sir, please.
Good morning to everyone. Top news of this week. Lockdown, COVID-19 lockdown across the state extended. The Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Edappadi K. Palaniswamy on Thursday announced that the COVID-19 lockdown across the state was being extended till August 31st with a fresh relaxation. In a statement, Mr. Palaniswamy said that complete lockdown would be imposed across the state with a strict restriction on all Sundays next month, August 2, 9, 16, 23rd and 30th. India claims the 5th spot. So India replaces Italy to claim 5th spot in coronavirus fatalities. Recovery rate improves with 35,747 fatalities due to coronavirus. India achieved a grim milestone by replacing Italy and becoming the country with the 5th highest COVID-19 death toll in the world. Rafale jets are the game changer in the fight. The Indian Air Force has much to cheer with the arrival of 5 Rafale Omni road fighter jets in terms of the technology and capability accretion that it brings. According to its manufacturer Dassault Aviation, Rafale is an Omni role fighter capable of the entire spectrum of roles: air superiority and air defense, close air support, in-depth strike, and anti-ship strike. New Education Policy 2020. Union Cabinet on Wednesday approved the National Education Policy 2020, paving way for transformational reforms in schools and higher education sector in the country. The NEP 2020 aims at making India a global knowledge superpower. Now for the international news. UK scientists to immunize hundreds with the coronavirus vaccine. Scientists at Imperial College, London, say they are immunizing hundreds of people with an experimental coronavirus vaccine in an early trial after seeing no worrying safety problems in small number vaccinated so far. Now news regarding science. NASA's Mars 2020 Perseverance rover mission is on its way to the red planet to search for signs of ancient life and collect samples to send back to the Earth. Yuvraj calls Stuart Broad a legend, asks fans to look beyond 6 sixes. Broad reaches the 500 wicket mark in Test cricket in the final match in the Manchester against West Indies. South Monsoon 2020 good rains now bring bad news. Tamil Nadu received 46% less rainfall than what it received during the period. Puducherry and Kerala have recorded 23% and 10% less rainfall, while central Indian states have received excess or large excess of rainfall. Madhya Pradesh has received the maximum of 114% excess rainfall. Chhattisgarh is close second at 104%. Gujarat, Goa, and Maharashtra too have received 67, 51, and 49% more rainfall than that they received during the period. Thank you for today's top news.
Thank you, Mr. Nelson, for the wonderful news you have given us. Now, வான்புகழ் கொண்ட வள்ளுவனை வணங்காமல் இருக்க முடியுமா? குரலும் பொருளும் கூற வருகிறார் பள்ளியின் பௌதீக ஆசிரியர் திரு விக்னேஸ்வரன் அவர்கள்.
காலை வணக்கம். குறள் 395. உடையார் முன் இல்லார் போல் ஏற்கற்றும் கற்றார் கடையரே கல்லாதா. பொருள்: செல்வம் உடையவர்களே முன்னே அச்செல்வம் இல்லாத ஏழைகள் எதிர்பார்த்து ஏங்கி நிற்றற் போல படிக்காதவர்கள் படித்தவரின் கடைவாயிலே நிற்றற்கு உரியவரேயாவர். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
நன்றி. மன்னனும் மாசறக் கற்றோனும் சீர்தூக்கில் மன்னனில் கற்றோன் சிறப்புடையான். மன்னருக்கு தன் தேசமல்லால் சிறப்பில்லை, கற்றோருக்கு சென்ற இடமெல்லாம் சிறப்பு. ஆம், கல்வியின் சிறப்பை உணர வேண்டும் கண்மணிகளே. நன்றி. Speed of the team is the speed of the boss. So here comes our beloved principal, Mr. Suraj Dahu, to motivate us with a thought-inspiring speech. So please.
Good morning and welcome to the first assembly session. Children, I hope you enjoyed the session where teachers have given you a presentation. This becomes the model for all of you to start presenting it every time, where we would like all of you to present all these aspects in your assembly. An assembly is not a tradition or just not a convention. It is a place where we gather together to invoke the blessings of God, to get His blessings for the day so that we can have a fine day. And at the same time, it is an informative session where you get a lot of information, you receive a lot of information. At the outset, I would like to thank all of you for your presence on this day, and I'm very happy to greet you all together as a school. Children, schooling, as you have seen now, it's very different. It is online. I know many of you would feel like coming to school, but you are unable to. But let's take it in our stride. I was very happy to see that many of you had responded very well for the past 2 months. It was really good online and enthusiastically taking part in the online sessions. Continue to do that and be of good help to your parents at home, and ensure that you are completing your homeworks, classworks, and whatever assignments given to you, activities given to you on time, and try to improve in your academics. One aspect which I'd like to pinpoint to all of you today is about your classwork writing. Ensure that your classwork is written neatly. First important thing is legible handwriting. drawing of lines properly, put the name of the lesson properly, write the date, the question numbers correctly, lesson number correctly. Ensure that there is no spelling error and write neatly. Once you get into that practice, then the same practice you can inculcate when you write any exams. Alright? And ensure that every day you're completing the homework given. Wishing you all the best for this academic year. This is going to be a great year for each and every one of you. God bless you all.
Thank you, sir. That was a wonderful session. And now let's all rise up for our national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे